Okay, so now we're to our Blackboard shell on our Owens website, and you will see this orientation online resources for clinical lab instructors. This is the online piece that all instructors are enrolled in, and when I click on that, if we go to the down to the left hand side here, okay, sorry for our IT abilities. We have NUR Lab and NUR Clinical. So you want to hit NUR 101 Clinical.
And just make sure there's an NUR 110, so that can get confusing at times.
So here you will have a folder with clinical papers in it. So in the event that you need extra clinical papers, you lost something, a worksheet, here's our sample, clinical worksheet, more anecdotal notes, assignment sheet, etc. Those are available to you. We also have week 1. For example, when you click into that folder, you will have the scavenger hunt for the ECF, the clinical activity 1.1, which this will be explained in your the template or the clinical activities that I showed you. It'll also have the student worksheet for the clinical activity and then the clinical activity 1.2. So if they click on that, just for an example, this is the actual 1-minute safety check. That will be something that the student will complete during your clinical day. And again, the activities for ECF will explain this in detail. Okay?
So the students will, in their website, they will have directions as far as what they're supposed to print off, what they're supposed to do ahead of time for prep.
Okay? So just to give you an example for week 2, again, they have their activities. You do not have to print these off for them. This is just so you can print them off for your own. But they are being told in pre-semester orientation they're responsible for printing things off, and it's indicated whether it needs to be done during their clinical rotation or prior to their clinical rotation. So you have an example of what they actually are printing off. Okay?
So I think that concludes our video. And after you have watched this and looked through your packet of paperwork and you have questions, please feel free. You can contact either one of us. And we'll be happy to answer any of your questions.
Thanks for watching. Bye.